Orangutan facts you didn't know. 1. It is not surprising that the name of this wonderful animal means person of the forest in Malay, given that orangutans and humans share 28 different physical traits and 96.4% of their genetic makeup. 2. Depending on their physical traits and habitat, the Borneo and Sumatran orangutans, Pongo abelio, are recognized as two distinct species, Pongo pygmaeus. In addition to having a paler, longer red coat and a longer face, Sumatran orangutans are slimmer than Borneo orangutans. 3. Over 10 to 16 million years ago, orangutans began to split from other primates. Compared to the other great ape species, they are more arboreal, tree dwellers, and solitary. 4. Orangutans exhibit a feeling of empathy and mimicry, two characteristics that are crucial to laughter, according to research. 5. It has been demonstrated that orangutans have distinct personalities. 6. It is well known that orangutans possess excellent intelligence. Even beyond foraging and nest construction, they use tools. In Tuanan, Borneo, researchers saw wild orangutans, P. pygmaeus wormbii, employing leaves as microphones to intensify their kiss-squeak vocalizations. This is thought to be done to trick listeners into thinking they are bigger than they actually are. 7. The development of orangutans is among the longest of any mammal. For the first few years of their lives, young orangutans cling tightly to their mother's body as she moves over the forest canopy because they are so reliant on her love and care to survive. Male orangutans may wait until they are between 15 and 19 years old before they begin to grow the fatty cheek pads that signify full adulthood. Females give birth to their first child between the ages of 12 and 15 and then only once every 7 to 8 years after that. Due to the fast habitat degradation that has occurred over the past few decades, populations are very vulnerable due to their poor reproduction rate. Both species are now regarded as seriously endangered. 8. In the wild, animals such as insects, eggs, birds, and small mammals are consumed in addition to plants and their parts, fruit, seeds, leaves, bark, and flowers. Female orangutans have been observed killing and devouring slow loris at a study site in Ketam, Sumatra. 9. There is evidence that some Sumatran orangutans in a lowland swamp modify and use sticks as tools to get honey and insects from tree holes. To extract seeds from fruits with stinging hairs, they also employ stick instruments. 10. With a potential 8-foot arm span, orangutans have large arms that are ideal for their lifestyle of living in trees and swinging from branches to eat. 11. The male long cry, which consists of a protracted succession of echoing grunts, may be heard over 1 kilometer under the forest canopy and is used to locate resident males. 12. American Sign Language has been taught to orangutans under human care. Chantek, one of the orangutans, has learned to utilize more than 150 different signs. Orangutans are excellent observers of human behavior and frequently mimic the actions of the people who care for them in rescue facilities, such as washing clothing, rowing boats, and driving nails into wood.